everyone, section the front of the hair into 3 portions. Then at the back make 2 more braids. Using your fingers, loosen the braids a little bit. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 parts and make a ponytail. Start off by making a ponytail. Then add a bow to it with ribbons. Divide the part of this ponytail into 2 parts and then make 2 braids as such. For our next hairdo, make 3 partitions in the hair before the central parting. Join them together into 2 more braids and then do it one more time. Roll up the braid at the bottom. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the front. Then tie a rubber band to it and then twist the hair in on itself so that it forms 2 twists. Then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, add sections from either the left and the right side. Do this until you reach the bottom. You are making a French braid, so keep adding sections until all of the sections are done with. Once you are done with the left side, remember to repeat all of these steps on the right side as well. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a decorative ribbon at the top of the hair. Then using this as a section, make a braid out of the hair. Keep normally braiding the hair and this is what it should look like. Once you are done with this, you may include it into a normal braid with the rest of the hair. Tie a rubber band at the bottom once you are done. For our next hairdo, leave out 2 sections of the hair in the front and then tie a ponytail up at the back. Now moving on to the sections that you have left in the front, you may start to take a very small or narrow portion of the hair and then make a braid out of it. As you progress with the braid, keep adding sections from the left side of the scalp, that is the left side before the central parting. Do this until no more sections are left and then you may normally braid the hair till the bottom. Now repeat the same process on the other side as well and leave the hair. Join these 2 at the back. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the front, tie it up into a small ponytail, then twist it in on itself in order to form these 2 twists. Now add some very bright thread to the hair and then begin to braid the hair using the thread as a section. Taking the rest of the hair, make a rubber band and then twist it in on itself once more, make another braid. For our next hairdo, start off by making 3 sections before the central parting of the scalp. Join them all together until they form one unit. Thank you for watching.